Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a pivot table. I'll start with the customer sales list. I'll highlight the top left hand corner, hold down Shift key and go down to the far right date. So I highlight all my information and I'll go over to the Insert tab here and click on this pivot table button. I usually take all the standard parameters that it comes up with and just click OK, and it creates a new tab on my spreadsheet with a pivot table. And pivot tables are great for summarizing information quickly. So I can drag, these are all the titles from the sales here. And I can drag them down into these four parameters here. So if I want a list of my customers, I can drag the customer down to the rows. And so it shows a list of all my customers. And if I want to see how many pounds each customer has, I drag the pounds over to the sum of values. So this is showing that I'm summing up all the pounds for ABC Fish, Cajun Grill, Chowder Cup, and I can do the same with the sales column. I'll drag that down into values. And now I have the sum of pounds and sum of sales. And I can even break it down further. So I can tell what fish and how much pounds and sales I sold to each customer by dragging the fish down here. And for ABC Fish, it shows I sold them black cod, 135 pounds, and that's how many dollars worth I sold them. And it does that for all the customers. So this is a quick way to get a summary of a table of information that has lots of data rather than adding each line up by itself. So that's how you create a spreadsheet. There's many more uses for spreadsheets, and I'll go through those in a different tutorial. Thank you for watching.